There she's parked up. What is up, guys? Good morning. Today is March 20. It is about 8 AM. We are up early. Today we are going to take the A35 to the garage. It is due for its first year or sort of 10,000 miles service. The car's not hit 10,000 miles, but it is due for its service A, which is like its first year service today. So that is what we are going to do. Mabel's going to be driving as well. Probably just going to drop the car off there, and then we'll head back home, have something to eat, and then come back and go get the car. As you can see there, guys, the maintenance is due. Service A is due. I don't know what the car's gonna happen. Probably gonna explode. I'm only joking. We got Mabel driving there, so she can give me a lift later. So we are now here in Mertec here in Hull, as you can see in the back there. Just gotta get focus. So yeah, I did ask them if I could take a video of the whole process, but unfortunately they said no. Because of insurance purposes, but that is understandable. I can understand that, that's absolutely fine. So we're just gonna leave the car here. He said it's gonna take about an hour to 2 hours, and he's gonna drop me a call when it's ready. So let's head back home. So we are now in Mabel's car. So she's gonna go. Luckily she's here, so she's gonna give us a lift home. Thanks, babe. Thanks for doing this. It is, as I said, it is very early today, and I appreciate Mabel doing all of this stuff for me, you know. Or else I would have walked home or waited in there. But yeah, anyway. So as I said, the guy said, Grant, should I say, he said that we can't go in there for insurance purposes, which I completely understand, no problem at all. So yeah, we're just gonna head home right now and probably have breakfast. We have kind of had breakfast round two, so we did kind of had breakfast, had coffee, and I already had a pancake. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for his call, and then we'll see what the car is like. So we are finally back home. So sadly we can't be in the shops. So anyway, I'm just going to talk to you guys what the servicing actually is. So service A is either first 10,000 miles of the car or the first year of the car. In terms of deciding who I went with, it really was about the price for me. I did call around. I asked a few people on Instagram who has gotten an A35. I even asked a few people here where I'm at, just to ask around where's the best place to get the servicing done. Some people had it in the dealership, so in Mercedes, and some people had it where I've had it, where I took the car. Or you can pay it one off. You can also pay it every month. So at the end of the year, your servicing will be paid. I did phone Mercedes, and they were asking almost £400 for the servicing. And so I asked around, I asked a few people, and I phoned this place up because this was recommended to me. Somebody on Instagram who I just met through the car as well. And so I phoned them up and asked them how much their service A is, and they were only asking about £140 for it. So a really good price. Probably gonna be thinking, oh, he's such a cheapskate, he's such a fucking cheapskate. No, it's all about being smart with your money, you know. So what essentially is a service A for Mercedes? It basically is, first off, I think they're gonna change, as far as I'm aware, they're going to change the engine oil. Secondly, they will also change the oil filter, and they will also do all the fluid checks, so like brake fluids and all that kind of fluids, you know. I don't know what the fucking fluids there is. All I know is brake fluid. So anyway, they will check it, but as far as I'm aware, they will not change it if it's not required, according to the Mercedes guide. They will also check for tire inflation or correction, but that's not much of a problem because I can see the correct of inflation of the tire. And I believe they will also do a full checks of the brake components, so the front brakes and back brakes and all that, you know. And most importantly, but the most important, they're gonna get rid of that notification, so it's not gonna pop up the whole time. And in another year, that will probably show up again to remind me that I need to do servicing. So that is pretty much it. That's all they're gonna do for Service A. Just a quick maintenance. The car's not had a lot of mileage, so it's not gonna have a lot of wear and tear. The fluids are gonna be fine. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hello?
Yeah, hi, Gary, Mertec.
Hi there.
Car's ready for you, mate.
Ah, cool. I'll be there in a few minutes.
No problem at all, mate.
Cheers, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Bye.
So we just got a call from Gary in Mertec. The car is now apparently ready, so we are gonna go and pick that up right now. That is it for us in Mertec. Got my paperwork. So this is what they've pretty much done. So as you can see there, 144 quid. I was not lying. That's what they've done there. Oil filter, washer, check the brakes, steering, suspension, all fluid levels, and updated the digital service. That's the service record there. And all that jazz. So it's all good. So we are now back home. Servicing's all done. The digital notification is gone as well. They cleared it out as well. Didn't even take that long. They were saying that it was actually the first saloon here in Hull. Saloon's not very common, like me, a unique kind of guy. What you thinking? Huh? I'm quite pleased with it overall. So if you are in the Yorkshire area, go check Mertec of Hull. Tell them that I sent you there.